Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, which country can't use Venmo? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm finally getting around to answering it. Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what Venmo is. What is Venmo? Venmo is a mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for a meal, or just send someone some money. How does Venmo work? To use Venmo, you first need to create an account. Once you have an account, you can add your bank account or debit card. You can then send money to other Venmo users by entering their phone number or email address. Where can I use Venmo? Venmo is available in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. So, which country can't use Venmo? Venmo is not available in China. This is because the Chinese government has not approved the app. Why can't China use Venmo? There are a few reasons why China has not approved Venmo. One reason is that the Chinese government is concerned about the security of the app. Another reason is that the Chinese government is concerned about the potential for Venmo to be used for money laundering. What are the alternatives to Venmo in China? There are a number of alternatives to Venmo that are available in China. Some of the most popular alternatives include Alipay, WeChat Pay, and UnionPay. So, there you have it. Venmo is not available in China. This is because the Chinese government has not approved the app. If you are looking for an alternative to Venmo in China, there are a number of options available. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I also encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this topic.